Yeah, because this second JE, I mean the third and the fourth are coming now. So we're just giving you a brief about that. List of some very important topics which will help you score very quickly. So first of all, I'm sending you that chapter-wise weightage in your group. Just go through that. I have posted in your group. Okay. Now, if you look at this, the slide which I have shared to you, if you look at the slide which I have shared to you, just go through those slides. So, you know, modern physics, modern physics, heat and thermodynamics, optics, current electricity, these are having very good weightage. So I will also discuss about very like because the time is less, we can quickly talk about some topics which are you can complete it fast and you can score well. Now let me give that list. I have also shared you the chapter as weightage. How much which chapter is having the weightage. Just go through that also. Here I am discussing about the important topics like first is EM waves. Usually people neglect it. Okay, modern physics, and I'll tell you why to just have a quick relook on these topics. Then heat and thermodynamics, heat and thermodynamics. Okay. Then the fourth topic is gravitation, and the fifth topic is wave optics. Here, YDSC experiment is very very important. You can expect definite question on this. And last one, as a group, EMI, matlab electromagnetic induction and alternating current. Alternating current. These six topics you should have a quick look. You know, they are fast to complete, relatively easy. Like if you take modern physics, it is relatively more easy. Okay, heat and thermodynamics, not very lengthy topic, but you can definitely expect some questions on that. Similarly, gravitation, easy to understand, you know, because you have done electrostatic and all that. Some of the concepts are really parallel, that potential concept and all those things. Wave optics, this topic is very, very important. YDSC experiment. Okay, you can definitely expect some questions on that. And these are two topics, alternating current and EMI. This also you should give a good reading in this last 1 week. Now, maximum it will take 7 to 8 days to complete this. Now, these are my list which you should not definitely skip. You should first lay importance to this. Okay. Relatively, they are easy topics also. This we have discussed in a lot of detail in the classes, but because you are near your exam now and you want to score well, in these topics, if you see the weightage which I have given to you, you are already in the bracket of 40 to 48 actually. If you sum total all these things, 40 surely you are there, right? Now, the other list which have these are the list in the last 1 week. You should give more importance to this. 40 marks तक आपका यहाँ पर कवर हो जाता है. ठीक है. Now coming back to the general topics, उसमें भी एक पॉइंट है मेरा. मॉडर्न फिजिक्स को देखो. मॉडर्न फिजिक्स almost 20 marks, right? You can expect 4 to 5 questions. Heat and thermodynamics is 12 marks as per the list which I have given to you. Optics में मिला करके 12 marks. Okay. And करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सी मॉडर्न फिजिक्स आपको डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए। कौन कौन से टॉपिक ऐसे हैं जो आपको डेफिनेटली यू शुड फर्स्ट ट्राई देम, डेफिनेटली मींस मॉडर्न फिजिक्स। जैसे कि मैं हमेशा आपको बताता हूं कि फिजिक्स को वी कैन डिवाइड इनटू 4-5 ब्लॉक्स। लाइक व्हाट आर दोस ब्लॉक्स? यू हैव मॉडर्न फिजिक्स, you have block number 1 modern physics, then you have electricity, right? Electricity and magnetism I'm talking about, okay? Electricity, then you have mechanics, then you have mechanics, then you have thermal physics, then you have thermal physics. What is left over now? The semiconductors and other things, all miscellaneous things. These are the optics. Optics, why we are missing it? So इनमें अगर आप देखोगे, this is relatively easy, not very much thought provoking or something. Electricity के block में only magnetism is one area where direction calculate direction you should know, little bit tricky, little bit more imaginative. Otherwise, current electricity is a topic where you can score well. You have to practice previous year questions. You have to see different type of circuits. हाँ, उसमें AC का एक topic आता है, which is very like topic छोटा भी है, and you can score well in that. Especially current electricity is a topic where you can. It's not very that much complicated when you compare it with magnetism or something like that. तो इसको तो last में रखो. Immediately don't lay focus on that. Any topic which you are finding really difficult, you should skip it at this point of time. Okay? Then थर्मल फिजिक्स जो मैंने आपको रिकमेंड किया था, ये जल्दी रिवीजन हो जाएगा, इसमें बहुत ज्यादा चैप्टर्स नहीं हैं, आपका जल्दी कवर हो जाएगा ये। और इसमें डेफिनेट नंबर आते हैं, कितने आते हैं? 12 नंबर तक आते हैं। ऑप्टिक्स में, वेव ऑप्टिक्स में इसको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दो, अदरवाइज रे ऑप्टिक्स आल्सो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट ए क्वेश्चन। ऑप्टिक्स का वेटेज मैंने कितना दिया है? 12 मार्क्स। तो देयर आर 3 क्वेश्चंस, maybe two from wave optics and one from ray optics. So optics also you should try. इसको ट्राई करो, इसको ट्राई करो, इसको ट्राई करो। इसमें मैग्नेटिज्म को अभी के लिए स्किप करो, लास्ट में देखो, ठीक है? मैकेनिक्स is the foundation for almost all the topics. लेकिन मैकेनिक्स is very very lengthy actually. Okay, मैकेनिक्स में if you see the detailed chart which I have given you, there is a topic called rotation. Rotation is giving you only one question. Okay, now this is a very very lengthy topic. Better I would say skip it and do it in the end if you have time. If you look at the mechanics part, you are finding, एक units and dimension का topic है, where this least count calculations, vernier caliper, you can expect a question on that. So units and measurements also you should give importance. Units and measurements का जो chapter है, you can expect one question on that. So ये हल्का topic है, उसको definitely करना चाहिए, ठीक है? Then you have kinematics, laws of motion, work or energy. You can expect each one question. Center of mass is lengthy, cumbersome. Center of mass और rotation को towards the end ही रखो. Simple harmonic motion also is a good topic. You can expect one question on that as per my planning sheet. But again, simple harmonic motion, as you know, students often find it tricky. Okay, तो simple harmonic motion को भी end में रखो. Solids and fluids थोड़ा आसान टॉपिक है, क्विकली रिवाइज कर सकते हो। पहले इनको करना है, पहले इनको कवर करो, यहाँ पर आपका 40 नंबर तक कवर हो जाएगा। उसके बाद जो भी टाइम मिलता है, यू गो फॉर द अदर टॉपिक्स। ओके, सो इफ यू सी दैट मॉडर्न फिजिक्स, heat and thermodynamics, optics, 3 topics, current electricity, electrostatics and magnetics. The planning sheet which I have given you, how much marks are covered there? 20 plus 12, 32 plus 12. 32 plus 12, see, 32 plus 12, 44, 56, 56, 68, 68 to 70. The first 8 topics which I am giving you, it is already covering 60 marks. What are the topics? Modern physics. मॉडर्न फिजिक्स के लिए आप डीसी पांडे आप कर सकते हो। अगर आप डीसी पांडे कर रहे हो तो डीसी पांडे का लेवल 1 लेवल 2 शुड बी मोर देन इनफ, एंड डेफिनेटली सी द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, दैट विल आल्सो हेल्प यू। ओके, हीट एंड थर्मोडायनेमिक्स पीवाईक्यूज पे फोकस करो लास्ट डेज में, एटलीस्ट यू सी द कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो रिसेंटली व्हाटएवर दिस एग्जाम्स आर कंडक्टेड, if possible, see those questions also. See the type of questions that are being asked. Okay, so this is from my side, and I would suggest that in this, I think maximum now 1 week, 10 days are left. So if you have prepared all the topics, first give importance to this, and then try to avoid any complicated topics at this point of time. Don't do very hard questions or very which is beyond the J mains scope at this point of time. And while writing the exam, I would say that give more importance to the like number of attempts. Okay, now from number of attempts also you should give more importance to accuracy. See, it is like this. Usually, if it's a 25 questions are coming, let us say, तो 15 तो right मारना ही है. 15 you have to get it right. But you're attempting 25 and getting 15 correct answers is of like poor accuracy. Rather, end up attempting 18 and get some 17 rights. This will boost your score. So here, whatever you're attempting, be very sure about your attempts and try to maintain an accuracy level of 90%. Otherwise, you should not count it as an attempt. It is like more like taking a gamble shot. And gamble shots don't work in a very competitive exam like JE. Even one negative mark costs you heavily. I'm sure by this time you have already seen, you have experienced it. So give more importance to the accuracy of your attempts. And also, because you'll be writing in slots, okay, don't compare yourself with other slots, what people are writing and what people are doing. हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा slot का पेपर बहुत टफ हो. Usually let us say you are scoring 60-70 marks in the regular exams. हो सकता है कि you may be getting 40 marks, but here relative difficulty is more important. If it is difficult, if you are well prepared, if it is difficult for you, it is difficult for everyone. सो ज्यादा अटेम्प्ट करने के चक्कर में मत रहो. जो आता है और उसको करके आओ. और अटेम्प्ट शुड नॉट बी वेरी वेरी लेस आल्सो. दिस इज द टारगेट यू शुड मेंटेन. You should get 15 rights to end up into some decent score. Okay, so this is it from my side. I would welcome any doubts. If you have, you can ask me. Any doubts you have, you can directly address to me. I'm just giving you a link. I'm just telling you the relative importance of the topics. I think this planning should definitely help to you. Those who are missing last time, I'm sure while you are writing the exam, some people are ending up with 20 scores. Those who are definitely 45 to 50 जिसका आ सकता है वो 20 में आ रहा है. वो इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि प्रॉपर प्लानिंग नहीं है. वो इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि एक्यूरेसी अच्छा नहीं है. नाउ कमिंग फ्रॉम द वीकर स्टूडेंट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑल्सो, मान लो कि अगर आप पेपर में 8 क्वेश्चन ही कर पा रहे हो, कोई बुराई नहीं. आटो के आटो करेक्ट होने चाहिए, 32 आना चाहिए स्कोर. ये क्या बात हुई कि आपने 15-16 अटेम्प्ट कर दिए और आपके 4 या 5 राइट हो रहे हैं. वो तो तुक्केबाजी है. सो restrain yourself from that and work on accuracy. So this is my advice, and I wish you all the best. Come out with flying colors. Okay, any doubts you can ask me right now. So Nikita is there, Ajit, Vaishnavi Pandey, and okay, so that's it from me. Take care.